Good morning, friends. I am Suraj Agarwal, and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel, Gardening is My Passion. Today, friends, I am showing you the gardening overview of my preparation of my garden for coming winter season. This is the mid of November, and now my plants are totally ready. You see how I have prepared for the winter season, coming winter season. Hundreds of varieties of season flowers we are growing this year, and you will see the amazing of plants, and I will describe everything. So keep watching, and thank you very much. And here is Montu Ghorai, my assistant, and transplanting the seedlings. These are salvia mix variety seedlings around 3 to 4 inch length of plant, height of plant, and transplanting in 3-inch pot, 3-inch earthen pot. You see how they are transplanting just in garden soil only, plain garden soil. If you want, you can add 30% compost, maybe vermicompost or cow dung compost. And this is the, you see how much roots are there in salvia vista mix. So these are the Pan American seeds, and just water full. Whenever you transplant any seedling, water it full, because first time you have to water it full, else what will happen, they may go to shock. So you have to water it properly, and after that 1 or 2 days you have to water it very judiciously, and you have to very careful about the seedlings. You see there are some cover you can see in the mid noon. We will cover with all this hogla leaf cover here, and our other assistant Bolaram Manna is busy in doing jobs of arranging the pots here. I show you, these are the all Cosmos variety. This is the Cosmos variety that I bought first time from US seed, Pan American seeds Cosmos. This is the 1 foot height plant, and they bear 40 to 50 flowers at a time. And here the marigold of Agagro Prime Marigold, big size flower, 4-inch size flower, and the plants are also very big height, 3 to 4 height tall. And here are another type of marigold. This is the French marigold from Pan American seeds, Pan American French marigold. 10 to 12 color varieties are there, you can get here. And other varieties of marigold, I'll show you. Some Inca variety marigolds are also there. So all kinds of plants, seedlings are ready for my transplants, and in the distance you can see my garden is ready, and all the lands are tilled totally. And after fertigation we'll transplant this seedling. After 10 days we'll transplant all the seedlings in my garden, and some plants will grow in pots also, in earthen pots also, maybe 6-inch or 8-inch pot. Here you see Sokat Ali Sheikh is also busy in transporting the seedlings. Here are the salvia seedlings, and they were grown on this roof, and now we have collected here and growing here. And Mr. Bolaram Manna is transplanting the seedlings here. This is the celosia seeds, and here you can see the petunia are the queen of flowers in winter season. Petunia, these are the good variety of petunia, and they started blooming in small pots. After that we'll transplant in flat pots, in 6-inch or 8-inch flat pot. Here are some, you can see the chili plants, the chili of some. And there are some dahlia of the seedlings of dahlia, and seedlings of dahlia, the best. You can see in 1 foot plant you can see at least a number of flowers, 8 to 10 flowers, small flowers, but they beautiful colors, 8 to 10 color variation. And here are the aster also very nice in winter season. And these are all coleus. You can see coleus, I have at least 30 to 40 color varieties of coleus. And if you want some coloration in your garden, you can use grow coleus. And these are all seedlings. I have collected some of the seedlings of double variety of petunia, and some are impatiens that I have bought from nursery. Impatiens are also very nice. And here are the some marigold Inca cutting that I have grown in June, July, August. These are cuttings of Inca. And here are the some rose trees that I pruned it totally last month, and they are all new branches are coming out, and they will bloom very nicely this winter season. And here are them some avenue side, all the coleus I have grown in the 2 sides of my pavement. And after that we will arrange in the entrance of the gate. And here the central part where rose garden is there, some of the porches are there. And see the garden, and this central huge part will till the land here will grow all the season flower plants here. In the right hand side you can see all the permanent plants, foliage plants are there, permanent foliage plants, different kinds. Here you can see this is the seedling area of my, and all the seedlings have grown here, and some seedlings are still there, some aster are there, salvia are there here. And this is the musanda, red musanda at the central part of my garden, and many types of musanda you can see. This is the kumquat citrus, this is the limes, and you can see at least 2000 limes are there in a single plant, the kumquat. If you want you can go the rounded one, this is the oblong one also. This is the all here the asters we have grown, different varieties of asters we have grown, at least 10 to 12 color variety you can see aster here. There is all coleus, some petunia, some dahlia, every kind of flowering plants, season flower plants we are growing this season. So this will be very interesting for this winter, coming winter seasons. The plants are ready for to be transplanted in garden or in pots also. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. If you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones. If you are very new to my channel, please subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.